Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add double space between words in Word document. To add a double space between words in Word, you can either do it manually as you type or use find and replace to instantly update a document you have already written. So for this you need to press Ctrl plus H to open the find and replace dialog box. So in the find word box, press your space bar, and in the replace with you need to press your space bar twice to replace with them double space. Now click on the replace all button. Here you can see that all done. We have made 2795 replacement. Click OK to proceed, and that is what you can see that. So let me undo that. If you want the words to look further apart without actually hitting the space bar twice, you can sometimes mess up with text alignment or trigger grammar checks, or you can adjust the expansion settings. For this you need to select your text by pressing Ctrl A to select the whole document, and then press Ctrl plus D to open the font dialog box. Go to the Advanced tab, and then next go to the spacing and click on the expanded. So in the box right next to it, increase the points to at least 2 pt or 3 pt. And now click OK to proceed, and here you can see that. So this is much pretty and easy. I hope you understand how you can add double space between words in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.